So in this Keynote tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to edit the chart style of a chart here on a Keynote presentation. So once Keynote's opened up, go to the top here and press chart and just add whatever chart you want. I'll use this one as an example to your presentation. So here's my 2D chart just here. Now, if you want to change the chart style, simply just go ahead and press on the chart right here. Go to the right hand side of your screen where you can see a whole bunch of different chart styles that you want. So if you want to select, maybe alternating colors, you can go ahead and do that just like this if you want to keep these colors. But what you can also do is change the chart colors as well. So if you wanted to change the chart colors, you can go ahead and do this just like this. That's one way you can do that. You can also select, textures or images as well if you're looking for that. So you can kind of play around with it, whatever you want to do. But that is pretty much how to change the chart style here in Keynote on a Keynote presentation. So super straightforward. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helped.